Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have with me today a very special team working on the game Liminal Exit. The team is called Little Red Red, and I recently covered the game on my channel and I reached out to the team and I just wanted to have a chat about the game. So welcome Dinesh, welcome Amrit and welcome Aman to my channel. Over to you guys for a short introduction.
Thank you so much, Nikhil. And it's lovely being here. First time on your channel. I remember my first time. I think it was when we were working on Mumbai Gullies. But it's good to be here. Thank you so much. My name is Dinesh Sehgal, and I'm a creative director and business development head at Little Red Red. Liminal Exit is our first game. And I'll pass on to Amrit now. Amrit, can you please?
Yeah. Uh, my name is Amit Kumar. I'm the game director in Little Legend. So I look over all the game design and market related, pre-production market related stuff. Yeah.
Hello guys, so I'm Aman Srivastava. I'm technical director at Little Red Red, and I have to cover all the technical stuff, all the coding and programming stuff. So yeah,
He's the main engine behind the game.
Yeah, fantastic, fantastic. So first of all, thanks a lot, guys, for doing this interview with me. And secondly, I want to talk a little bit about the game. Firstly, the game's graphics look fantastic, but for beyond the graphics, what is Liminal Exit about? What is the core of the game? What are the game core mechanics?
The game mechanic was actually based on anomaly hunting. So what you do here is there's a loop in the floors. So you sort of have to break the loop by finding all the right anomalies, sort of making a right decision if there was an anomaly or was there no anomaly. It also fits into the lore of the back room that we're trying to do. So it sort of plays around with the feeling of unnatural things. That's also the concept of the where the anomalies came in this one.
It's basically um, Liminal Exit is basically a backroom game, I would say, but with a touch of horror and puzzle element, I would say. So
Yeah. Also, this is also a unique thing about the game as well because most of the backroom games are just a walking simulator.
right.
This one has some core mechanics, more gameplay that is a bit more experimental, considering the how the market of backrooms, the community there, only loves mostly walking simulator, but we wanted to do something else with this one. Yeah.
Yeah, we wanted
yeah.
to
So
touch that audience for horror games also. So
mhm.
it's like yeah, like Amrit mentioned, it's a bit experimental in that genre.
Yeah.
Yes,
And the first time I saw the game, I was very curious about the game, and I told Dinesh had reached out to me, and I told him that it looks fantastic, and I think you guys are going to be all over the place. And right now you are, you also got covered by IGN recently, which was a great thing for
Yeah.
you
yeah.
guys. So how did it feel, like being covered? Probably this is your first game that you're working on production scale.
Yeah.
So how did
Yeah.
how did that happen? Did you guys reach out to IGN, or was it more of an organic effort? So what was that story like, and what was that feeling like?
So we do have people who are helping us in reaching out. They had a very good strategy. Our main idea was to reach out to the audience of this particular genre, and they somehow knew that kind of audience. So reaching out to IGN was it was our aim also, plus their reach also. It was combined effort. But yeah, good thing it happened, and it's really exciting to be, at that those kind of platform.
Yeah. Especially for our first game, we actually didn't expect this to happen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we really
Correct.
didn't expect this for the first time, but what did happen?
This
Yeah.
game was actually, when basically Amrit and Aman are the core developer of this game. They started this, I think, back 8, 9 months back. I joined very
Yeah,
late. At beta stage, I joined this
Mm,
team.
mm,
And when they used to tell me this story, so they started this game with the main purpose of testing how the market is going to be, creating a game and delivering it to the market. So creating is one part, but delivering it to the market, releasing it is another. You know better than us, Nikhil, how the whole cycle goes. So idea was to kind of test that, how this whole thing will work. And yeah, I mean, I think we all never thought that it'll reach that high, but it happened. It's good. It's
Okay.
really.
And I think this is
Yeah.
just the beginning, and the game is going to do wonders ahead. I can already feel it. And guys,
Hope
for those
so.
of you who are watching this before 7th of August, the game is scheduled to be released on 7th of August. So if you're watching it before 7th of August, please go ahead, wishlist the game. And if you're watching this after 7th of August, go ahead and buy Liminal Exit. It's available on Steam right now. And right now it's available on Steam and Epic Games. Do you guys have plans for other platforms as well? And what are the timelines associated with that?
So we are open to explore other platforms also. Like cloud platform is something also we are exploring. Timeline will be only after we see some performance on Steam.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, see, again, this game is just to test the waters. So we are open to collaboration with other platforms also. If any other suggestions come to us, we are open for that. We just want to see how a particular game works on a platform, how to release a game on a platform. So this is again a learning experience for us.
Yeah. For this one, our main target was just Steam. But yeah, we're open to see more opportunities.
Okay.
I'm also trying to
And
like test it over the with the Xbox controller as well. So it's a bit hard, especially for the UI. So that if that works, then I might like think about the Xbox PC Xbox games, the whole only PC stuff for now. And if that works fine, then maybe we'll see if in future.
fingers crossed for that, and all the best to you for
Yeah.
porting the game to multiple
Thank you.
platforms.
Sure
Speaking of
thing.
the core concept of the game, it's very unique, it's very fresh new take, and it looks really good as well. So I just wanted to understand what have been the inspirations behind this. What are some games that have inspired you to make this game? Have you seen any kind of references? What are the other games in this genre that are popular out there, and what kind of inspired you to make this?
Okay.
So obviously, like, yeah, I think Amrit can answer this better. But before like starting the Liminal Exit, I would say we are working on a lot of different prototypes and different ideas. We used to discuss. I like Amrit is also thinking a lot of ideas. So just we like with the this Liminal stuff and the pools games is really trending, and we are yeah, used to play like the Exit 8 a lot, and the game is obviously inspired by Exit 8. And for the art side, I think Amrit can answer better. Yeah, Amrit.
Yeah. Also, overall, I think this game was inspired by mainly the two games, the pools and the Exodus. But
Yeah.
while we were inspired by that, we didn't want to copy anything from that. We wanted to be original, like our own sort of experiment with the liminal spaces. So yeah, for the references, we didn't actually go with any specific references. Was more like I go with the internet, look up some liminal themes, pictures, and it gives sometimes it gives me an idea like how it should be, especially for the environment, the at the outside the environment. That was actually more for trial and error. So what we did actually was we created like around 20 levels for this game, but we actually end up scrapping most of them because we were trying what feels more like unnatural and liminal. So that was a bit of a challenge as well.
Yeah.
Dinesh, what are your perspectives?
Um, like again, this whole concept is Amrit's, idea, and I think Amrit is somebody who's like he's of course a game director, and all the research and everything comes from his side only. So this game, I would say he better understand all the references and all the inspiration, whatever is coming, he's bringing that to the table. We are only For this particular game, my role was to just to create creatives for marketing. So, all the inspiration which about for this game, all the games which he has mentioned, those are like really good games. But whatever um, uh, what differentiate this game from those game is something the gameplay anomalies and all that what he has introduced to the game. So that is really good to see. I would say.
Yeah.
So inspiration again, like it's not one game, but there are like many things. Visual is coming from different references. Gameplay is coming from different references, but the core gameplay is his idea.
Awesome, awesome. And guys, for those of you who are watching this and have been following the journey of Mumbai Gullies, I also want to say that Dinesh has actually worked with our team extensively for the initial part of Mumbai Gullies, and in fact, he continues to help us out in bits and pieces here and there. So his past experience actually involves working on Mumbai Gullies as well as a bunch of stuff. He's been in the industry since almost what 2009, I guess. So
2002.
2002. So
Yeah.
he's an absolute veteran in the space and comes with a lot of experience. And I just that's a little bit background about Dinesh. Amrit and Aman, do you want to talk a little bit about what your past experience has been before Liminal Exit?
Yeah, we actually, Dinesh and I, we actually have worked together for like many years. Uh,
Yeah.
we also have like an outsourcing service studio for ourselves, where we have gathered like a lot of experience. Like we have worked on very good games in the past experience, but this was an opportunity. Like we decided like we should get into the production for ourselves. Like, yeah. Hello?
So yeah, so we, as Abid said, that we started working on a outsourcing studio, and we have worked like around so many different projects, including all the art side, on all the programming side. So we used to get experience at what actual development is like. So before that, we started with the some marketplace stuff and everything. So after like getting like a lot of experience, we decided to like start our own game. And as I said that like before Liminal Exit, we are like writing a lot of different ideas and a lot of discussing a lot of things and made a lot of prototype as well. So we still like we used to think that this might take a lot of time, then maybe this might take a lot of work, and also like we are like not into that. They get into the market for the funding and everything, and obviously, so we wanted to start something like a small and quality thing. So like that's we come with the idea of a liminal exit that it should be a basic small gameplay with the like very good looking graphics, and as we like used the Lumen technology of Unreal and also the Nanite thing. So that's very helpful for us to making this game like this. So that's why we thought in the end that we should create a small quality, so like quality game, not a very big scope. Like we shouldn't be, maybe we're not sure about it, and maybe we have to sometimes we have to change the ideas. So we are only face that issue while working on the environment, especially as Amrit said that we scrapped around 20 plus rooms. So Amrit created a very nice looking office, and but in the end we thought that it's not looking liminal, so we scrapped it. So yeah, so like till the end of the development, liminal exit, we had like a lot of experience in working all those different things. Yeah.
That's fantastic, and I think it's a great approach that you're following as well. Going after a
Mm.
small level and polishing it, as opposed to what we did. We took on a lot in our capacity. But anyway, our story is different. Uh, what I'm
Mm.
curious about is now you mentioned that you guys are using the latest tech of Unreal Engine. So I assume you
Yeah,
are working on Unreal Engine 5 right now. So
obviously.
in terms of the engine itself, uh, how effective was it in terms of your overall production pipeline, and what level of ease did that engine bring to your entire production pipeline? And let's assume if you were to use any other engine, would you be able
Mm.
to get the same output, or is it only all thanks to Unreal Engine 5 right now?
So for the environment, I would say obviously like Unreal Engine 5 is really helpful, and especially the all the lighting stuff, the lumen and everything that and yeah, also it also requires like years of experience that Amrit has had already. So yes, if suppose if you are working on Unity as well, so if you have that much experience, that much like vision that Amrit has for the engine, so you may can like build that in that engine, but it's still sometimes it may take a lot of time, I would say. But yeah, yeah, we can say that it saves some time for us. And even for the programming, if I say so, the yes, maybe you are already aware of the blueprints, so it's really easy to do anything in the in like suppose you have to just think and you are able to do it in the engine. So yeah, so if I have like working experience with a lot with the with any kind of engine, it may like it may won't be that much issue. But yeah, I can say that it's saving so much time in compared to Unreal Engine 4 because where you have to like set up the lighting and it was like so much time taking and sometimes you have to build it and maybe you remember that pain. So sometimes
So basically,
that's the issue.
like how our vision is to create fast and go to market fast.
Mhm.
And having a engine like Unreal Engine, it's like so many things are given to you by default. Right? You don't have to start from zero. You are already at a level, and then you start from there. But if we pick up some other engine, things are possible. Definitely, you can get to that quality. But then there'll be a lot of groundwork to be done. So
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
is for a small team like us, it'll be extra effort, extra money, extra time.
Mhm.
So
Fair enough.
instead, why don't go for a engine which gives you already gives you an edge.
Right.
So I think that's the reason. Yeah.
And in
So
terms
it's
of
like if you
develop, yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah, Nikhil.
so it's like I'm saying that I was saying that if you have any idea, then you should have no excuse. If you're able to use Unreal Engine, obviously like you can make things very easily in that.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
And in terms of the technical aspect of this game, you mentioned, use of blueprints is significantly much more easier in Unreal Engine. You can just think it and build it. So is the game
Sure.
entirely made in blueprints, or is there a component of C++ as well in it?
Uh, no. Actually, we have to use C++ somewhere for especially for the manager for our for our game. So we have like whenever you play the game, so you'll see when like you'll get to the see the normal level, like the you can say as an example level that you have to study every single thing, where is everything, and it's like and then you have to come back and search for the anomaly. So
It's
for
also
that,
excellent. Yeah.
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 So you'll be getting like anomaly by anomaly. So like there's a series of anomalies, including no anomalies in between. So I don't want it to be like a fixed set. I wanted to be like completely randomized. So to controlling the randomization, I have to go to the C++ in the end. I was trying to use it with the blueprint, but it didn't work with that very well. So like to control the randomization, see there is a three different kind of anomalies we have. There's one is the hard anomaly, and there's easy anomaly, and there's a special anomaly. And obviously we have to include the no anomalies as well. So to maintain the fun out of the game, so we have to show the special anomalies, which kind of flash anomalies like red room that you saw in the trailer, and also some you're going to some other space from that particular space, like whole new thing, whole new world area. So and something like that, you have to if we're trying to maintain the hard anomalies and the special anomalies and also the no anomalies. So this like whole stuff, balancing this, we have to go through a C++ to maintain that randomization.
Understood.
And
Understood.
yeah, some other small parts like detecting the computer language and everything, the framework things, I have to go to C++. But yeah, I can say like 90% it's in like blueprint.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. So overall, this game looks fantastic, and guys, the team at Little Red Red has been kind enough to give me some access keys as well. So I've already recorded a gameplay video. You can find it over here in the cars here or wherever. So the gameplay looks fantastic, and I hope you guys will also enjoy playing the game on your end whenever it comes out. Now, speaking about any final thoughts about what people should enjoy about this game, or any particular aspect that you want to share about the development side, or even in general as a consumer, what can people expect that perhaps might not catch the naked eye right at that moment, but coming from some spicy behind the scenes secret sauce that you guys can share about the game?
Mm.
Amrit
So
can.
yeah, I think I should take
I
it.
Any
think
Easter eggs of sorts
Mm.
that people can find in the game?
I think the ending of the game is I can also say that it's one of the things that you have to look out for because it's
Right.
a very challenging game. It's designed to be quite challenging. So the thing is like there's two type of ending in the games, and you're sort of like prone to get the bad ending first because it's like first of all it's hard to reach to the end. The main thing in the game is like you have to exit the building that you're stuck in, like you're trapped in the building. So to exit it by breaking the loop. So first of all, it's hard to just get to the end of the floor, like end floor and the end area. Then you most likely are going to get surprised by like you're not actually leaving this area. There is a true ending where you can leave it, but it's also like another level of difficulty over that.
Yeah.
Although it's explained in the bad ending how you can get to the good ending, but that's one thing. And then after then, there's also story, a lore that it is in the game.
Mm.
But it's very subtle. Like it's not a narrative game, so it has to be like hidden in the environment. And it's kind of hard to put it together at first because there's also like a entity in the lift that you may have seen, like it's giving some scary, spooky messages to the player. So that actually interacts with the player quite a lot. Whenever you do something in the level, like for example, there's a poster that says "run, run, run." Like you have to run, and you actually run. So the lift is gonna say like, so you can follow the instruction on the poster. So it sort of in somewhat interacts with what you do in the game. That's also related to the lore of the game. So that's another thing to find what's actually going on in there. Like what was the backstory and stuff like that. That's sort of like hidden in the game. Yeah.
Understood.
The best thing is that this game have multiple endings, so
Yeah.
player can actually, if once you reach one type of ending, you will have to kind of go through that whole experience again to reach to the another type of ending. And
Yeah.
every time when you are taking the experience, it's something new. So a level doesn't feel like they are repeating.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I can explain the gameplay part of the multiple endings. So as Amrit said, that there are two endings. There's one normal ending and the bliss ending that we call, and there's a main ending that you are actually out of the building. So the first ending you can like if you're playing the assisted mode, which is the easy mode, in the assisted mode that you are playing in the same level, and if you are like take any wrong decision, then you will be playing in the same level, obviously. And suppose if you cross the first level and the second level, and if you are in the third level, then you are like you looping in the third level again and again. And when you win the game, then you'll go to the like the normal ending, the basic ending. But if you want to like go to the main ending, which is the out of the building, then you have to like play with non-assisted mode. And in that case, if you like take any wrong decision, even in third level, you will get back to the first level. So that's the like main issue. We player might be faced. So that's the difficult part of that. That is actually a non-assisted mode is really difficult to like achieve. Yeah.
So
That's
it's a
also
very
a puzzle. Yeah.
brutal,
Yeah.
unforgiving
Yeah.
game, is it?
Yeah.
I,
For the
I
non-assisted
guess
mode,
it's
obviously.
also designed to be like everyone can play it, but only the I would say like a hardcore gamer would be able to reach everything. So
Yeah,
only they
I
would
can I
be
can already
able
see
to.
you guys promoting it like only 1% can complete liminal exit.
That's
No,
also in the
I
load.
think
Like,
this is
yeah.
also one of the idea from Amrit only, that this game has been designed in a way that streamers would love to play
Hmm.
this game. You know, because when you are stuck in some level or something, the kind of emotions which come out of the streamers, their audience, love all that. So I think
Yeah,
it
like a
Yeah,
is
all the rage quit.
designed in a way.
like a content game, I can.
It's a content game, you can say,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Guys, this was a lot of fun. And guys, for those of you who are watching, if you are watching this before 7th of August, wishlist it. If you're watching after 7th of August, go ahead and buy the game on Steam and Epic Game Store. Thanks a lot, Team Little Red Thread, for doing this small interview. I hope the people watching this video love your game and shower all the positive comments over there, along with the fantastic reviews out there. That's it from my side, guys. If you have any parting message from your side, the stage is yours, please.
Amrit.
So,
I think you should take this one.
Okay, guys. Uh, our This is our first game, our debut game. Check out our Steam page, and if you like the concept, if you love the game, show us your love and add it to your wish list. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for
And
having us. Again.
okay, guys. So
thank you
if you like
guys.
this
Thank
video,
you again.
yeah, you want to say something?
Yeah, so just
Yeah,
like check out our game obviously, and let us know like if you like wanted to play test and everything. So it is still available for the wish list if you're watching before 7th, as Nikhil said. And see you in the game, guys. Thank you.
fantastic.
Yeah.
So, guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video and if you like Liminal Exit, hit the like button and share this video as much as you possibly can. If you're finding my channel for the first time, I'm Nikhil Malkar. I'm a game developer by profession and I make content around games and game development. That's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care.